Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm here today with another exciting topic which will be helping for you for your further studies. Before beginning, let me introduce myself. I am Chandana and I'm from Sri Venkateshwara College of Engineering, pursuing my final year in Electronics and Communication domain. In today's session, I will be discussing about the subject energy and environment, under which the topic which we are discussing is most interesting, and it is the more common cause which is going on in today's world, which is different types of pollution causes and effects. Let us, before going to different types of pollutions, first let us see what is pollution, what is meant by pollution. Here, pollution is defined as the contamination of the environment by foreign or toxic substance and excess from the energy that are harmful to the environment. The substance or energy that constitutes a particular kind of pollution is known as the pollutant. Pollutants can be in form of solid, gas, liquid, or energy. Pollution always has a source and recipient. For example, a factory that produces harmful gases is the source of pollution. It ends up in atmosphere and gets inhaled by human beings and other animals who are recipients. Let us see the types of pollutions, different kinds of pollutions which is going on the world is air pollution, water pollution, soil pollution, and noise pollution. These are the four main crises which is going on. Let us see one by one in detail. First one, it is air pollution. Air pollution refers to the contamination of atmosphere by harmful gases, particular matter and chemicals. Air pollution leads to substantial reduction of quality of air. It creates severe health issues, particularly related to respiratory diseases in human beings on also in animals. The major source of air pollution are industrial and vehicle emission, wildfire, dust storm, and etc. The poor quality of air in Delhi during winter is perfect example for this kind of pollution. Smoke as a result of stubble burning from agriculture field around NCR industrial and vehicular release of harmful gases and particulate matter leads to severe environmental emergencies almost every year. The causes of air pollutions are burning of fossil fuels in power plants and vehicles, agricultural activities like aerial spray for insecticides, slash and burn system. Also, industries release a huge amount of carbon monoxide and other chemicals. Methane from waste in landfills. Along with these causes, a host of natural factories like volcano eruption, dust storm, forest fire also contribute the growing of danger of air pollution. Let us see the effects of air pollution. Respiratory diseases like chronic bronchitis and asthma, etc. Health issues in children impairing brain development, global warming, acid rain, and depletion of ozone layer. Next pollution which we are discussing here is water pollution. Let us see what is water pollution. The contamination of water sources beyond permissible limit is called water pollution. This includes the contamination of both surface water and underground water. Most manufacturing industries require enormous amount of water as an input in their production process. Contaminated water which gets released into water bodies lets chemical enter into the food cycle. The availability of clean drinking water also decreases in long run. The aquatic ecosystem also gets severely affected. Apart from human induced factors, the over concentration of certain minerals by natural process also pollutes the water. This is called eutrophication. Like apart from human induced factors, the pollution which is causes from natural process is called eutrophication. The three major parameters for assessing water quality are physical, chemical, and biological parameter. Color, rigidity, and odor is the physical parameter. Presence of chemical compounds like sulfates, chlorides, etc. is the second parameter, which is chemical parameter. And the last parameter, biological parameter, assess the presence of organic matter like algae, protozoa, bacteria, etc. in water. The causes of water pollution are domestic sewage, industrial effluents, agriculture waste, spillage of petroleum products, Domestic sewage means untreated sewage water that contains soaps, chemicals, food waste, human waste, etc. in the single largest source of water pollution. Manufacturing units are generally located near rivers. Untreated wastewater from these factories is on high toxic content and resistant the breakdown by microorganisms. The water without primary treatment will be released into the water bodies, which also contaminates the water ecosystem. Agricultural waste. The using of fertilizers, pesticides, manure used in agriculture production contaminates the water. This also contaminates the soil also. This process of toxic chemical entering the food chain is called biomagnification. Spillage of petroleum products. Petroleum products contaminating seawater as a result of acid spillover. Accident spillover is regular news in the water. The effects of water pollution are it distracts the marine life and aquatic system, degrades the water quality and its scarcity of drinking fresh water, waterborne diseases like cholera and typhoid, and it also gives an huge hand for biomagnification. Let us see soil pollution. Soil pollution refers to the contamination and consequent degradation of land. Presence of pollutants or contaminants that disrupt the balance of nutrients in soil is growing a concern. It leads to land becoming unsuitable for agriculture, and barren soil contains many nutrients that are vital for friendly bacteria growth and cultivation. Overuse of fertilizers reduces the longevity of agricultural field. The Green Revolution of 1960s largely focused on increasing production of food grains by relying on such practices. Recently, awareness of consuming organic food has risen, and government all over the world are promoting organic farming also. Less use of the fertilizers and pesticides will also reduces the soil pollution, and the quality and quantity of soil will be maintained in a good range. Let us see what are the causes of soil pollution. Overuse of fertilizers and herbicides in agriculture, dumping industrial waste and harmful chemicals. Before dumping this industrial and chemical waste, the primary if primary treatment is done, there will the amount of harmful chemicals releasing into the soil will be reduced. Improper domestic waste management system, runoff municipal sewage water, improper irrigation management leading to poor soil quality. Effects of soil pollution. Degradation of fertile soil, inferior agricultural produce quality, that means the production of the amount of agriculture waste will reduce. Health issues as results in biomagnification, destruction of soil ecosystem. The next pollution is noise pollution. Noise pollution is the presence of unwanted and excessive sound that harms human beings and animals. Noise has the potential to disrupt essential activities like sleeping, reducing one's quality of life. The Indian government has passed rule in 2000 that the stipulated permissible sound limit for different areas like residential and industrial. The causes of noise pollution is noise from the factories, from transport system, events and function, construction activities, and the effects is it affects mental problem like anxiety and irritation, partial and complete hearing impairment, affects animals ability to communicate, attract their mate, etc. Thank you for watching today's video. I hope you like this and this information is useful for you. Till I come with the next video, keep supporting, like, share, comment and subscribe.